In today's industrial environments, precision isn't just important, it's everything. Inaccurate flow measurement can lead to wasted product, inefficient processes, and costly downtime. Turbine flow meters provide a proven solution for high-accuracy flow measurement. As fluid moves through the meter, it passes over a precision-engineered rotor, causing it to spin. The rotational speed of the rotor is directly proportional to the flow rate, creating a highly linear and repeatable measurement. A magnetic pickup senses each blade passing, generating a frequency signal that can be converted into flow rate. Turbine meters are available for both liquid and gas applications. Turbine flow meters perform best in clean, low-viscosity fluids, where consistent flow conditions are maintained. Trusted across industries including oil and gas, chemical processing, aerospace, power generation, and more. Trust Turbines Inc. for your turbine flow measurement needs. Call us or submit a form to request a quote or view many configurations available to buy online.